Hey y'all, what's up? So we're gonna jump right into the video. So the unit I'll be rocking today is from HerGivenHair. It is their Kinky Edge unit in the coily texture. It is 16 inches and it is a T-part unit. As you guys can see, it has adjustable straps, elastic band, all of that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the inside of the lace with some lace tinting spray, and I also did go ahead and spray my wig cap as well. This is what the kinky edges look like straight out of the packaging. So you can apply it glueless, but I'm not gonna do that because that don't work for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use some even spray along the hairline. I didn't use a whole lot, and then I just tied it down with an elastic band. Now this unit can be applied glueless. That just does not work for me. So now I'm just wiping off any excess spray, and then I'm gonna go ahead and comb through the hairline, you know, because obviously I smushed it down a little bit, you know, with the band. So that's just what I'm doing here. And I do have a low hairline, so my hairline is gonna peek out a bit, you guys. But if you don't have a low hairline, you won't have this problem, and I don't like putting my unit on my forehead. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet the unit down with a spray bottle. As you guys know, HerGivenHair has some beautiful units, some of the most beautiful curl patterns. So yeah, I'm just spraying it down, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mousse. Alright, so you guys, this is what the hairline is looking like so far. So I'm just shifting the hair and adjusting it to how I want it to look. But y'all, look at this hairline. Like, it looks so realistic, so bomb. You don't gotta worry about laying down your edges. Look at the hair, it's nice and full, but like, look at the hairline. Yes, honey, get into it. And I did add a little bit of makeup along the hairline. All right, you guys, so this is a T part, so I'm gonna bring the middle part back out, and you already know I gotta try a few styles with the kinky edges. Now, this is a T part, so you don't have much lace in the front, but there is enough to work with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the hair at the front in 2 ponytails. And excuse the cast, it doesn't look like that in real life. I think it's just my camera and the lights are so bright. But trust me, the hairline blends perfectly, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do 2 little buns, apply some little hair ties around it, some scrunchies, make it real cute. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like with the 2 buns, super cute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do another style. So I'm just gonna go ahead and gather the hair and put it in a ponytail in the back. Look at the hairline though, it's the hairline for me. You ain't gotta lay no baby hairs, you ain't gotta do none of that. Like, it looks like it's literally growing out your scalp. Like, yes, you can't tell me this not my hair. What's up, what's poppin', what's going on? Y'all have now made it to the end of the video. You already know who I am, and if you don't know, I'm Mona B. Okay, you should know. You should know who I am. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and chat with y'all a little bit about the unit that I am rocking today. As you guys know, this unit is from HerGivenHair, and it's their Kinky Edges unit or whatever. And I'm rocking it. I showed y'all how to rock it different ways, and it is giving and it's doing everything that it needs to do. For me, it is really bomb. I love the kinky edges on a curly hair. This is the Coily 3C4A unit. And yes, you guys, popping. Now, I do want to let you guys know that you do not have to install this unit with any spray. I did because I have a little head, and I don't know, I'm a little self-conscious about wearing like lace front wigs without it being tacked down to my hair. I don't really like that. So I did use some spray, but if you're comfortable, you can definitely go ahead and apply this unit glueless and make it do what it do for your head. So yeah, I just went ahead and just installed it. Y'all seen how I did it. And it is a T-part unit. That I would say that's the only kind about this unit. I don't like the fact that it's a T-part unit because I like to part my hair however I want to part my hair. And y'all know I'm more of a side part girl. I don't like middle parts. So if you wanted to part this, the only option for you is in the middle. But the good thing about it is, though, you can definitely still do like the flip over method like y'all see me do, and I'm not wearing the parting at all. But y'all know I do have a low hairline, so yes, some of my edges are showing here, but other than that, the hairline is beautiful. They did their thing. It looks very natural. I'm loving this kinky edges vibe. Not having to worry about like laying down the lace baby hairs or anything like that. So it's doing what it needs to do. It's giving what it needs to give. And I love that. I really do love that. And you can still, and I showed y'all even with this being a T-part unit, you definitely can still style it different ways. So But I would have preferred like a 13 by 4, 13 by 6 legs front. But other than that, beautiful unit. Super, super beautiful. Y'all see I got it back in a ponytail. I got a ponytail going on with a little bang situation. And I'm loving it. Like, it's cute. It's doing what it needs to do. It's giving what it needs to give. All my natural hair girlies, this is for you. So all my natural hair girlies, this is going to be the vibe for y'all. It's cute. Want to protect your natural hair and still look like you're wearing your natural hair, but you're really protecting your natural hair. So get into it. Tap in. You see it. You see it. You see it. No, but for real, y'all see it. So make sure... Y'all know I have been working with HerGivenHair for a long time. So make sure you guys go over there and check them out. Everything about her. Oh, so I'm going to go ahead and rate this unit. I'm still going to give it an A. Even though T-part units aren't my cup of tea, but it's still an A. The quality of the unit is great. Y'all know HerGivenHair comes with the quality. They give you super full units. You know, they do what they need to do. They definitely come with the quality. I have to give them that. And yes, you guys, so make sure you guys check out HerGivenHair. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The hair that I'm working will also be in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.